Good morning, guys. This is like a Hollywood movie. Early morning, birds are chirping. Look at that bird right there. Chilling. I guess I scared him off. Hey, but I want to show you something. Look at that, guys. This is common Bermuda. And I promise you, when I say overnight, this thing is turning green. Look at it over here. See that? That's crazy. This thing happened overnight, man. Right, Bella? Yo, go. Wow. Hey, man, it's Friday, and here in Savannah, it's currently like 70 degrees, and it's supposed to be like 75 today. But next week's supposed to get cold. When I say cold, I'm talking about probably 50, and yeah, probably in the 50s, and that's only, you know, at night. And it should, it's crazy. It's just crazy. The weather just keeps fluctuating. But hey, guys, just want to make a quick video, show you guys, give you a quick update on my backyard. Look at that. That's amazing. Right, Bella? Yeah. Say good morning to YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Why you shaking, Bella? Oh, what's up, mommy? Yeah. Where's Tank? Where's Tank? He's over there somewhere. All right, let's get to the video, guys. Don't have a lot going on today. I'm gonna go solo. Brand new customer gave us a call last night. And I'm gonna look at her property and, you know, give her a quote and put it on video. Now, hey guys, let me tell you, I love making these videos because, again, this is an archive, an historical archive for myself. Years from now, if YouTube is still going and popping, I can look back and say, hey, this is where I was at this specific time. And also, you know, I love teaching. That's just part of me. All right, guys, let's get into the video. So, guys, I'm over here at my storage, and guess what? Yeah, man, it's freaking raining. I don't mean little drizzle. I'm talking about full-blown thunderstorm rain. So I'm still going. I'm going to do a quick estimate, and it is I want to say about 6-7 miles away, so who knows. Here's kind of crazy. It might be raining here, but it's not raining over there. It's no big deal. It is called for rain all day anyway, but I'm still gonna go out there because guess what? I'm the type of person, man, if I sit at the house, and if I go back home and just sit at the house, every 5 minutes I'll be looking out, you know, I'm gonna be looking out the window, and the moment it clears up, I'm gonna feel like garbage because in the back of my mind it's like, damn, I should have, could have, would have, you know what I mean? Wow, that's lightning. You hear it? Yeah, man. Whoa. Full-blown thunderstorm. All right, enough of this recording, guys. Let's do what we do. Follow me on my adventure. All right, guys, I'm at the property now. It is drizzling. Well, it's raining. A little bit beyond drizzling, but let's do a quick walkthrough. Okay, so it's not too bad. I can definitely mow this, and I will. Let me see, there's no entrance over there. Is this the gate? Okay, so there's no gate over here. All right. Not bad, not bad. So mainly the customer just wants this mode to not look bad. All right, so there's a cord for cable, and it goes in there. And there's, see, the siding is good to go. And there's a double gate, so that's good. I don't have to use the smaller mower. It's not soggy, so yes, I can definitely take care of this. Not bad, not bad. Oh, there's a big hole in there. All right. Good. All right. So mainly what I usually do, guys, is, you know, oops. Dogs next door. Okay. Oh, that was a little scary. For a moment I thought the dogs were on my side. All right, so what I'm going to do is send her a text and let her know how much it's going to be, and then she'll send me her credit card info. And what I usually do in situations like this, is a service member. The service member is in a field right now on training, so I'll send them a text and they'll send me their credit card information. I'll build a credit card for the service. Once it go through, then bam, I take care of it for her. Simple as that. Remember, you have to ensure that you get your monies first. Why? Because, you know, you may have some people texting you or calling you to do other properties, and their properties under foreclosure or whatever the case might be. Just make sure you get your money first. That's all I say. All right, well, I have another task that I have to do in the same neighborhood, so let me text this lady right now and go to the next one and take care of it. Hopefully by the time I finish the other task, then she'll text me back. Okay, but I'm not gonna film the other task. All right, see you in a few minutes. All right, quick update. So I finished the other task and I haven't heard from the customer yet, so I have a few more minutes. I'll give her probably another 5 minutes. If I don't hear from her, then we'll just have to reschedule. But I'm not gonna do this if I don't get money in hand, guys. Let me tell you, been there, done that. I have the t-shirt with many holes in it, so there's no way in heck that I'm gonna take care of this property without being paid first, especially when the customer is not home and the home is vacant. No way. So we'll see. Now tell me, guys, put it down in the comments. If you were me, will you do this property and then invoice the customer whenever they do decide to call you or text you? Will you actually do the property, or would you wait? Put it in the comment below. Let's share the knowledge. All right, guys, it's been 6 minutes and I haven't heard from the customer or gotten a text back, so I'm gonna just pop smoke, man. And let me tell you something, guys, learn. Do not ever nah do a job if you haven't seen the customer and if you don't have money in hand. Now, if that customer was at the house, then you know, definitely. But it was a phone call and text. I got to the property, I did a walkthrough, and yeah, I haven't heard from the potential customer. So again, you know, they may be in the field, can't get to the phone, and whatever the case might be, that's fine, no problem. But do not do work unless you get paid first if you haven't seen a customer. All right, guys, have a great one. Pop smoke. Peace.